Hello, good evening to all. Today I am going to talk about Bollinger Band, relative strength index, and stochastic oscillators. What is Bollinger Band? Bollinger Band is a band plotted two standard deviation away from a single moving average, developed by famous technical theorist John Bollinger. This is called the Bollinger Band. This is the middle one with a single moving average. This is the lower band, this is the upper band. This is these two is the Bollinger Band, the middle one is a single moving average. Next, Bollinger Band adjust themselves to the market conditions. How they adjust when the market becomes more volatility. I mean, this is the more volatility. The band move further away from the single moving average. This is usually the from here the Bollinger Bands move away from the single moving average. This is the variance from the single moving average. The second one, during less volatility periods, the band contract. I mean, contract means the closer to the moving average. The Bollinger Bands closer to the moving average. The third one, when the band is tightening, it is when the band is tightening, this is a early indication of the technical traders. The volatility going to increase sharply either way, up or down. This is a early indication for the traders. Next. This is the now you look at the price called touching the Bollinger Band. This is called overvalue. In the once the price touches the upper band, this is called the overbought. The price touches the lower band means this is called oversold or undervalued. All these are undervalued. These are on top, upper band, overbought or overvalued. This is the Bollinger Band. Next we are going to talk about the relative strength index. Under this, you got any doubt, later we will going to apply the Bollinger Band or these indicators to the real time chart. Just I outline first, then after that I open a real time chart. It's a relative strength index, RSI. The relative strength index is a momentum indicator developed by technical analysis Wales Welder. RSI values range from 0 to 100. It is used to identify overbought or oversold condition. RSI values range from 0 to 100, but the value above the 70 indicates overvalue. This one. This one is called overvalue. The below is called undervalued. Undervalued means oversold. This is oversold. This is overbought. Means this is below 30. This one's above 70. Means overbought and oversold. Whether you are going to buy or sell, Bollinger Band and RSI to determine the overbought or oversold conditions. I mean, you see here you are how you are going to take a trade overbought or oversold. How to find this one? This one you can see this one is a overbought. The same thing you can. That's why I draw the horizontal perpendicular line from here. You see this one. This one is a overbought. Already we see here this one also indicate the oversold. This one also say this one Bollinger Band also says this one is a oversold. So can see here this one is the price sitting on the Bollinger Band and the upper band. Upper band means this one's overbought position. The same thing can see here this one also sitting in the overbought zone. So the RSI also tells this one is a overvalue. The Bollinger Band also says this one is a overvalue. Then after that, we are going to find a stochastic oscillator. Stochastic oscillator is a momentum indicator. If 20 is considered the oversold, the same thing the 80 is considered the oversold, overbought. You see this one? Now you look at the stochastic oscillator. This one is the middle is the EQ line. Consider the stochastic oscillator on upper band. This one is the upper band, the Bollinger Band. The price touches the Bollinger Band, then the price comes down. The same thing, the can look at the stochastic also. What says the price, the blue line crosses the red line, means the price going to downtrend, going to try to sell. This also indicate the sell position. The same thing can see here below. Below can see the green all over sold position. Over this one also over sold position. Then on top the red colors were also and see the overbought positions. So once the price overbought, then we can see the stochastic is the blue line crosses the red line. Then we can look for the selling opportunity for the upper band. The same thing below can see the blue line crosses the red line. This is can see below can see the look for the buying position for the good entry here. Now we are going to look for the real time chart. Now I'm taking a real time chart. Now this is I am putting first the Bollinger Band. Now you see here the price. This is called upper band. This is called lower band. The middle one is the simple moving average. The price now that the price goes up, then the price touches the Bollinger Band already is over both position. Now the Bollinger Band says the price already overbought. So now we can try to sell. We are looking for a good entry points. The same thing below the Bollinger Band, the price touches the Bollinger Band. After that, the price went up. So we are looking for a opportunity to buy position. We cannot take a trade only the confirmation of the Bollinger Band. So we want to put another indicators to the RSI, stochastic, all this. So we are make another confirmation. So now you can. Now I am going to put for the RSI. Now you see that. You can see here. This is RSI already in the overbought position. Above 70 means oversold, overbought position. Below this zone is oversold position. So the RSI say this one is a overbought cut. Overbought already is there soon. So now we are looking comparing the Bollinger Band. The Bollinger Band also says this is already is a overbought condition. The same thing can here the RSI also overbought. Above 70 is overbought position. So once the price comes the overbought zone, we can look for a good opportunity to sell. The same thing can see here this one. This one also the Bollinger Band says this one is a overbought zone. The same thing, the RSI also the sitting in a overbought position. So now we are looking for the good entry for the sell position. You can see now we are looking for the buy position. Buy positions once the price comes down below the oversold zone. This is now I put this one is the oversold zone. So I put the line here. You can see the Bollinger Band. The Bollinger Band also says this one is the oversold. So now the RSI also says oversold zone. This one also say oversold the price. So now the once we all the confirmation is there, then you get the good entry points. After that, I will put the stochastic. Now you can see already we see here this is the overbought position. The Bollinger Band also tells this is the overbought position. The RSI also tells this is a overbought condition. Once the stochastic say cross over the blue line cross over the red line, then only we can try to enter the trade because the price already in the overbought zone. So we immediately we cannot enter. So we can wait for the price the blue line cross over the red line. Then only we can look for the entry points. This is the three Bollinger Band, RSI, and stochastic also says this is the overbought position. Now this one so sell position. Now we are looking for the buy position, the same thing. You can see the RSI is oversold. Now you can see this is the RSI. RSI already oversold. Bollinger Band also says this is a oversold. The same thing can see here the stochastic says the stochastic in the oversold zone, but wait for the price cross over the blue line, then only we can enter to take a trade. This is the way to look for these three. Now I look at different currency pair and see the same thing. And see one more. I put the Bollinger Band pair. Okay. Now you see this is the overbought. This is the upper band. This is the single moving average. This is the lower band. The price this is the Bollinger Band tightening means the price going to increase anytime, either way up or down. This is the one. The second one, this is the more. This means the more volatility. This one is the average. Average. I mean the band is contract. This is the contract. This is the over the late. This is the tightening the Bollinger Band. Now I put the RSI. Same thing. And see this one. RSI. Here the Bollinger Band says this one is a overbought position. So the RSI also tells sitting in the overbought zone. So these two confirmation ready. Then I put the stochastic. Stochastic also says stochastic also overbought zone already cross over the red line, cross over the blue line. Then you can try to catch a good entry point to take a trade. This way, how to read these three indicators is good indicator to analyze this to take a trade. Okay, thank you.